Hello guys, I'm Sean Harper and I've got a case unboxing video for you guys, so let's check this out. This is the case for the Samsung A6 Plus. So let's already open this so it'll be easy for us. Okay, you get the case itself and yeah, the bill. Other than that, nothing else. Let's look at the case. This is from the brand Golden Sand. Links for this are in the description. Let's read what's written at the back. It has got 360 protection, anti-shock, comfortable, and you can see some case features. The price quote on this is $1,199, but you can get this for way cheaper on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And as you can see, this is for the Samsung A6 Plus. So let's open this. Oh, there's nothing else, just normal box. Yeah, nothing. It comes with some styrofoam, don't need that. Here's the case. To the material of this case, as you can see, this case has got carbon fiber, pieces of carbon fiber right on top and also at the bottom. It really looks nice, and the full part of the case is coated with this. It looks like a metal finish. It runs horizontally. You can see it's very nice for gripping a phone because of its texture. You can see, if you like carbon fiber, I think you can go for this case. You can get this case for different models. So this is the back of the case. It has every cutout for the flashlight, for the camera and all that. On the front you have like this pattern for, it's because it helps for shock protection. You can see this pattern and it's written here, the ultimate experience. Coming to the side, there's no grips on the side. It's just normal there's no grips, no texture on that. It has buttons for the volume and also for the power button, and there's also an opening for the speaker. And you have the USB and the mic and the earphones. So let's put the phone in the case and see how it looks. So you can see the case is easy to apply and it has all the right ports. Everything is, I see the buttons. Yeah, everything is fine. Even the power button is working well. The camera is okay. You can see there's nothing coming in the way of the camera. Flash is also exposed properly. Yeah, the bottom, the speaker as well. And I also forgot to mention there's also a slight lip on this phone. Since I attached a screen protector, I never got this online. I just went to my nearby store and got it. So the lip, you won't find the lip too much since I have a screen protector. If you are a person who don't like screen protector, there's a lip on this phone, so you can lay this phone down with just scratching up the screen. Conclusion guys, I think this case is very good as it protects your phone 360 degrees. As you can see, there's full protection. But if you're a person who likes minimalistic cases, this is not for you, because this case adds a little bit of weight to your phone. But if you're a person who likes to protect your investment, this is the case you need to go for. Again, links for this case is in the description, and I recommend this case because of its texture and also because of its protection. So guys, if you like this case, check out the link in the description. If you like my channel, please give me a like, share, comment, subscribe, do everything below. And thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Till then, peace.
Hold on girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to to admit I